Hello everyone. For chapter 2, we need to have the basic avoider platform built so that we can try to learn different programming on it. So you go to R+DESIGN software, Dream L2 avoider here and get in. And then you have 5, it will start at the end of it. So the beginning is here. And you can see they just follow the step there. And overall, we need only to go to step 201, which is when it's finished here. But there's one spot I need you to be aware of before all this okay, when we start putting all the cable in, you see that they just show you to put the 2 cable to the gear motor here, but you also need to put the 5-pin cable basically for port 3 and port 4 also here. We'll be using it later in chapter 3 and stuff. So when you have a cable inserted in before you assemble them, and you can see that. So you have 3 and 4 cable is sticking out here, and will be a good use of it. We're gonna make it so that we can use it in the scan dowel and in the tricycle, so quite a few things.